Being an inventive and interesting token, Nexo can flaunt high utility, so it's nothing unexpected it has been very famous recently. Individuals are puzzling over whether it merits putting resources into Nexo and what's on the horizon for this money. In this video, we will show you our Nexo value expectation and offer why we for the most part think it is a wise venture. Our continuous Nexo to USD value sort of update shows the ongoing Nexo cost as 67 cents USD, as indicated by our Nexo cost forecast. Nexo cost is supposed to have a 1.18% decline and drop as extremely low as by June 2, 2023. Our investigation of the specialized pointers proposes that the ongoing business sector feeling is negative 94%, with a trepidation and veracity list score of 51. Throughout recent days, Nexo has had 18 30th green days and 1.76% cost instability. Nexo specialized outline. As indicated by the most recent information accumulated, the really current cost of Nexo is $68, and Nexo is as of now position No. 91 in the whole crypto biological system. The core supply of Nexo is $380,933,180.42, with a market cap of $560 million. 11 Nexo in a significant manner. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by 1 cent in its ongoing worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, Nexo has been in a decent vertical pattern, subsequently expanding by 2.02%. Nexo generally has shown areas of strength for extremely recently, and this could be a kind of good chance to dive right in and contribute. During the sort of last month, the cost of Nexo certainly has expanded by 2.32%, adding a gigantic typical measure of 2 cents to its really current worth. This unexpected development implies that the coin can turn into a truly strong resource now, assuming that it proceeds to develop especially. Nexo value forecast 2023. As per the specialized examination of Nexo costs expected in 2023, the for the most part least expensive Nexo will be $63. The genuinely most extreme level that the Nexo cost can reach is $67. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $72. Possible return on initial capital investment 0.1% Nexo value gauge for June 2023 in view of the value changes of Nexo toward the start of 2023. Crypto specialists expect the in every way that really matters. Normal Nexo pace of $66 in June 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $63 and at $68 individual. Expected return for money invested 0.88% July 2023. Nexo value figure digital currency specialists are prepared to declare their estimate for the Nexo cost in July 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $65, while the kind of greatest could reach $70 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Nexo could especially be around $67. Possible return for capital invested 3.4% Nexo value figure for August 2023. Crypto experts generally have really looked at the value vacillations of Nexo in 2023 and in earlier years, so the normal Nexo rate they anticipate may be around $69 in August 2023. It can drop to $68 as a base. The greatest worth may be $71. Expected return for money invested 4.7% September 2023. Nexo value gauge around mid-year 2023. The Nexo cost will be exchanged at $70 by and large. September 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Nexo worth to $72, or so they thought. It is accepted that the cost won't drop kind of lower than $68 in September 2023. Possible return for money invested 5.9% Nexo value figure for October 2023. Crypto specialists in a real sense have broke down Nexo costs in 2023, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to October 2023, $67. Without a doubt the most minimal and top Nexo rates may be $65 and $70. Likely return for capital invested 3.4% November 2023. Nexo value gauge crypto experts expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the Nexo cost will be around $67. In November 2023, the Nexo cost might drop to at least $65. The normal pinnacle worth may be $68 in November 2023. Possible return for money invested 0.88% Nexo value gauge for December 2023. Having examined Nexo costs, digital currency specialists expect that the Nexo rate could arrive at a for the most part limit of $72 in December 2023. It may, nonetheless, drop to $66, which is genuinely huge. For December 2023, the anticipated in every practical sense normal of Nexo is decently almost $0.69. Possible return for money invested. 6.3% January 2024. Nexo value estimate around mid-2023. The Nexo cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $0.74 in a significant manner. Crypto experts expect that in January 2024, the Nexo cost could for the most part change somewhere in the range of $0.70 and $0.79. Expected return on initial capital investment, 16.2% Nexo value forecast 2024 after the examination of the costs of Nexo in earlier years. It is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of Nexo will be around $1.22. The most extreme expected Nexo cost might be around $1.45 in an unobtrusive manner. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $1.26 in 2024. Nexo value expectation 2025 in light of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Nexo. In 2025, Nexo is supposed to have the accompanying least and fundamentally greatest costs, about $1.84 and $2.10. Separately, the typical expected exchanging cost is $1.89. Nexo value forecast 2026. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have broke down the costs of Nexo and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2026, the base Nexo cost could drop to $2.68, while its greatest can reach $3.11. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around $2.77 in a significant manner. Nexo value expectation 2027 in light of the examination of the expenses of Nexo by crypto specialists. The accompanying most extreme and in every way that really matters. Least Nexo costs are normal in 2027, $4.72 and $3.89. By and large, it will be exchanged at $4.03. Nexo value forecast 2028. Crypto specialists are continually examining the vacillations of Nexo, which is very critical. In view of their forecasts, the assessed especially normal Nexo cost will especially be around $5.97. It could drop to at least $5.81. However, it actually could really reach $6.83 all through 2028. Nexo flaunts in every practical sense many highlights that make it by and large special and an essentially wise venture. Here are some of them. Nexo offers moment credits to individuals who need to involve their cryptographic forms of money as security. This implies you can sort of get cash against your crypto property without having to sell them fundamentally. Nexo most certainly has an organization with Credissimo, one of Europe's driving monetary organizations. This gives Nexo